The commissioner of the Food and Drug Administration, Dr. Scott Gottlieb, is expected to resign in about a month. That departure was first reported just a few moments ago by the Washington Post, and CNBC has just confirmed it. Gottlieb was sworn in May of 2017, so he will have served in the job for just less than 2 years when he resigns in about a month's time. He's overseen measles outbreaks in Washington state to situations involving bad romaine lettuce across the country. But most notably, he's been sounding the alarm on the e-cigarette market. He put a series of retailers on notice and issued some warnings about that market even as earlier as today on CNBC. We are still awaiting comment from Gottlieb himself, but certainly this would be a ripple across the drug industry, and certainly someone who's been familiar to the business world, being a venture capitalist or former venture capitalist himself. And we will await comment from the White House as well on who they plan to replace him at the FDA. Sarah?
I mean,
we don't know why, right?
The level of surprise as well, Kayla. He was on Squawk Box this morning. It's an odd one, to say the least.
Yeah, and we don't really have that much in the way of detail about what is the catalyst for his resignation, whether he intended to only serve about 2 years in this role, or whether there was something happening behind the scenes, a falling out of sorts or a disagreement. So we will await some more details, but he was someone who was very comfortable telegraphing his own views to the market, to participants in the market, and certainly we'll await some news of his replacement as well.
Apparently the tobacco stocks are popping on this news. He was also, I can say, pretty well liked just from our conversations with big pharma CEOs and respected in his post.